My one day off, the only free time I have from my 9 to 5 construction job. I fly twice a week, and I've been sacrificing my body in the trade for 8+ years. Hopefully, from your guys' support, I'll be able to do YouTube full time and retire my broken body for good, and inspire you guys to show anything is possible when you don't have much. Join me in my arduous journey, like building this 600 horsepower capable Genesis Coupe. I mean, who wouldn't fucking like that shit? Enjoy. Unfortunately, I can't start an OnlyFans. It's really an expensive key I got here.
Oh yeah. Sounds great, bud.
Alright, 1 out of 10. Rate the setup. I love this car, but I also fucking hate it. But, I mean, that's with any car, I guess you could say. I don't know why I got my car like that. Yeah, so it's a love-hate relationship with this car, but I mean, that's with any car, and especially when you start fucking with it. You know, you kind of start running into problems, and, you know, people, you know, like myself, I can't say anything. We mod these cars, you know, we're on a budget. We kind of just hagger shit, you know? We just kind of just use what we got. And that's probably the best part about modifying cars, is just to learn from that. You know, learn from your mistakes. You just do it correctly the first time. Do things once, not fucking 3 times, you know, like, but you know, you kind of have to fail to learn. So, you know, next time if you don't kind of learn after that, you know, anyways, I'm going to do it the right way. And I mean, I love fucking cars. So I'm making that into my life. So I'm going to unfuck this Genesis, fully build that motor. This is my first time building this motor, and I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I already swapped the motor out of this thing because I blew it up at 100,000 miles. My own fault. Yeah, so I'm gonna see what this motor can do. Look at this fucking battery. Okay, we're off to see the wizard, Is this mic recording? Yes, it's recording. Okay, so today we're going to go get the battery for my car. I don't know why I'm talking that Spanish accent, but yeah, we're gonna go get fucking a battery. So yeah, it's gonna be fucking sick. Hey, wait! Hey, I need a pinchy battery, fool. Look at this janky wanky. So we got a zip tie holding this to there. You know, random fucking bolt I found. This is fucking zip tied to that. That's the shit I'm talking about. So we're gonna unfuck everything. Order a new bracket for the battery holder and unfuck the fuckery, honestly. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, microphone. Montage. This is what I was trying to show you when I wasn't recording before. This is the first time, you know. But look what I did to myself right there. I made it a fucking focus. Yeah. Well, it's Phillips. It's a Phillips screw with a nut, with a nylon nut on the back. So there could be multiple. I don't know why I was holding it like a Glock, dude. I was holding this shit tight. But yeah, haggard shit. So yeah, don't use Phillips with nylon nuts on the back, because that could really fuck you.
Fuck you. Fuck me.
So we're unfucking the fucking. Alright, so I'm actually a piece of crap for doing this. I should have never used a Phillips bolt with a nylon backing. Even Phillips in general, it's worse than using zip ties. And zip ties are not even bad to use, but fuck. So I got that shit rusted on there. I hate my past self. There you are. Little trick with doing these little fucking rods. Look at that, like you're starting a fucking fire. Wham. Look at this janky wanky. Dude, it looks like this fucking, dude, it's been like, I don't know, like 20 years ago. They had these metal things that you can build, like robotic shit. I don't know, but they have these brackets that look like it. I'll try to put a fucking thing on the screen, but yeah, some crafty shit, huh? Got some bracing done here. Look at this fucking, yeah, that was fucking on a budget, buddy. But you know, I mean, it fucking worked. So if it works, is it that stupid? You know? Yeah, but we're gonna redo all this shit. This is a splitter I got on Amazon. I pretty much just cut it in half and then extended it, and then patched it up, and it cracked from stress, me hitting shit. It would have worked out if the person that helps me paint this didn't redo my work, because I had it prepared for him, and then he fucking took it all apart that I had prepared for him and made his own thing, and yeah, it kind of cracked. But we're gonna buy a new splitter and custom make that one too. So, because yeah, since I have a wide body, it doesn't fit this way lengthwise, so I had to extend it out to accommodate for my wide body. Fuck. It's not attached. Holy shit. What? That was fucked. So next, you just pretty much take your power steering line, which is 2 bolts, one here, and you just pretty much just let it dangle off to the side, or you can fucking, I'm gonna probably end up switching it, which the one that comes with it. So I'm gonna end up fucking draining it, but right now I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm pretty much just gonna take all this front out since I'm already at the front, but after you take out the power steering line, which you let it badangle, you take out these 2 bolts that are holding this intercooler up, and there's on the other side, there's 2 bolts as well that's holding it pretty much mirrored to this. So that's what I'm doing now. Just fucking unbolt that shit. Where's O-rings? I would just put those to the side. Don't know if I need those or not, but it's not a bad idea to keep them just in case you do get a replacement and you need to match the sizes. So, or you could just fucking pop it here, but make your life a little easier, you know? Now there is a little pinche plug here you have to unplug, which is super easy. Just unclip that top part there and you pop that bitch out. Bada bing, bada boom. Start taking this pipe out with your intake side, and yeah, pop that bitch out there. Next would be this bitch. So now, pretty much just got to unbox the Turbo XS. I already opened it because I am impatient. Got the Turbo XS loaded out there. Shit's gonna be wild. Wild. My fucking tripod's been acting like a newborn deer. It's been fucking doing this. Let me see if I can get my feet. That's what my tripod's been doing. I need a new tripod. You should see the setup. This is miserable. You guys would have seen my behind the scenes. Fuck. Oh, you guys can't even see me. Fucking deer. Ah, fuck. I like to make my life more difficult than it should be. So we're gonna mount this fucking shish kebab on first. Yes. I pretty much just mounted the intercooler. I got new hardware because they sent some hardware, but it only popped out like a thread, and I did not trust one thread holding this. So I went to my local hardware store and I got bolts, lock washers, and a regular washer just to fit this gap, because that washer they gave too doesn't fit this oval thing very well. So apparently I didn't record any of this audio. I didn't realize my battery died. Pretty much this is the sensor that you have to take out and put it into your new piping, as shown here. Boom. And then you put your blow off valve here. This is how the air comes out and how it's, you know, regulated and pressured. Sorry, Yogi.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Huh? So I don't know what I'm doing with my hands here. I guess I'm a pretty rave girl, but yeah. I don't know why I can't take off a cap regularly. But yeah, there it is. And then just pretty much me explaining how to put a 90-degree coupling on with the V-band that they provide you. Pretty much just tighten them all. Don't go crazy. I wouldn't use an impact. I would use a ratchet. I'm just more familiar with impact. See, ratchet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have a lot of goodies coming for the Genesis. Stay tuned. Guess what your boy got? Oh.